What's up, guys, and welcome to today's Saturday crypto updated video. And this week, there's a lot of fucking crazy stuff happening, and the same exact prediction that I have predicted pretty much the last week over the last video. You can see it like it is in in my channel. You can go through that and rewatch the video, and damn, bro, damn, I literally told you, everyone, once Bitcoin breaks above the 85,000 resistance, we are going to see Bitcoin at fucking $95,000, and that's literally what happened. And actually, on today's video, I'm going to show you now. Hold on, give me some time. I'm going to fucking show you the day that I told you Bitcoin is going to reach 95 to. Hold on. Is this a video?
Next target for me for the short term on Bitcoin is whether from 95 to 99,000 dollars for Bitcoin, and once we broke above this 4-hour resistance right here, we are probably going to do that. So let me really quick, let me adjust it because of the price action is moving. And so if we actually broke now and continue breaking above the 85,800 dollars, we are going to see the bullishness coming into the Bitcoin chart, and we are going to see Bitcoin at around 99 to 95,000 dollars.
Did you fucking see, bro? Did you fucking listen? I literally told you that Bitcoin is going to reach around 95 to 99,000 dollars, and that's literally what happened. After we broke the $85,000 resistance right here, we spike up and we reached 95,000 fucking dollars. Everything is on YouTube. This is why I fucking did my YouTube channel. This is why I started my YouTube channel, bro. To fucking share these thoughts with everyone. To fucking let everybody that this shit is happening. This shit is real. Like, you can't fucking complain, bro. Everybody fucking panic sold at the bottom, bro. Everyone said it is the end. Bitcoin is going to zero. Everyone started losing hope. Everyone started fucking panicking and selling with their big loss. No, bro, you gotta fucking hold on. There's actually some logic thing to this thing. Actually, I am a day trader, and I know how to be patient. I know what it's like to be losing and keep on hoping that is going to happen. Keep on believing that it's going to happen. I know that it's going to happen. I trust my analysis. I stay calm when everybody is panicking. I stay patient. Like, those things that I learned from my day trading journey, it is so applicable to crypto holding as well. So if you are a crypto holder and you're not a day trader or a trader overall, because there is a lot of people like that, can't handle these losses. Like, I'm holding Bitcoin now. I'm holding all of my altcoins since November. All right, since November. I bought it from the bottom. I think right here, then I did a pretty much 100% or 150 or 200% on my portfolio. Then boom, the market fucking dumped, and pretty much we went down a lot. Bitcoin down pretty much 35%, and that what happened. And then everybody fucking panicked while I'm accumulating, bro. Every single time I see Bitcoin and all of the altcoins are dropping more than they should be, I buy more. I buy more. I literally bought all of the dips. And now I gotta fucking stay patient because the reward is going to be fucking crazy, like never before, like never ever someone else expected. I bought the dip right here. I bought the dip. Hold on. I bought the dip on December. I bought the dip on February. I bought the dip on March, and I bought the dip on April. So how the fuck would you expect me to fucking lose when I have all of my orders sitting up right here, all of my buy orders right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Whenever price fucking spike by, I'm fucking making a lot of shit ton of fucking percentages and money. Like, hold on, I'm going to explain it to you. But you know, I'm not going to explain it to you because you know, whenever you buy here and then you buy here, automatically when the coin pumps, you're going to regain the loss and make even more profit off of that. So that's literally how it works. So I didn't say don't forget to smash up the like button, like the video if you think that Bitcoin is going to reach $100,000 in the upcoming days, like I fucking expect. I'm expecting Bitcoin now to break this high and make another high. Maybe we are going to see some correction because this week has been like some crazy week. Like look at this spike up week. We broke structure now on the weekly, and that is going to send us at least the next upcoming 2 or 3 weeks to the $190,000, and I really think that Bitcoin is going to do that as well as the all other altcoins. The all-time high of price of Bitcoin is very 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 applicable, and we can more likely see price reversing and back into that level. However, on USDT dominance, we fucking rip this shit down. As I fucking told you again, I told you we're going to see USDT dominance rip down, and that is what happened. So I deleted the video. So we broke structure again on the daily, and now we're going to do that on the weekly as well. If we see some break of structure on the weekly right here after tomorrow, I guess tomorrow will be the weekly candle will close. So if tomorrow candle closes below this low, below the 5.19% on the USDT dominance, we are going to see some fucking great targets. Like as I fucking drew this, this is the next target for me on USDT dominance. It's going to be the 3% mark. Whenever we fucking touch this line, we accumulate a little bit, and then we see the correction in the market, especially with this. Whenever we do an uptrend, we reverse. Now uptrend, we broke below it on the daily. Uptrend, we broke below it. The target will be these lows at the 3%, and I'm telling you now, if we broke structure on the weekly, it is going to close up tomorrow. We are going to see USDT dominance break down to 3% target, maybe in the next month, maybe in the next week. Especially the next week is going to be fucking insane, and not only the next week, the next month or the next couple of weeks will be fucking insane. And when I'm saying insane, I'm literally saying it. I'm literally saying the truth. It is going to be fucking insane. We are probably going to see the rate cuts. We are probably going to see the Fed does not respond to Trump's call that he want to lower the rates, and we are probably going to see the rate cuts. So hold on, let me tell you the scenario. So if we see a rate cuts coming into the 7th of May, we are fucking going to see Bitcoin. Like, I can't even tell the target right now. It is like more likely 120,000, 130,000. You can expect altcoin season. Fucking every single thing will pump, and we will back at November and even higher price action. All right, let this in my mind, and let this in your mind, bro. Only if we see the rate cuts, if we see the Fed holds the rates and does not cut them, we are probably going to see some rejection in Bitcoin, and we are probably going to see the bad scenario, which is returning back into these zones of the 85 and probably accumulate a little bit right here. But then at the end of the day, all of the news are fucking positive. And as you can see right here, this is the summary of the next upcoming days. We have the central bank's QE, quantitative and hold on, the central bank's QE, which is going to be happening. The tariffs negotiation will be fucking insane. We're going to see some new trade deals from the US and the other countries. Then the global M2 money supply with a new all-time high. The FTX distribution will be in the next month. Pro Crypto SEC chairman. We have a new chairman on SEC, and he's so fucking bullish on crypto, and I'm going to show you now the video. This is the new chair. Paul Atkins says Bitcoin and crypto will be his top prioritized. He said, by the way, he said the digital assets, not
Thank
crypto.
you all very much, and especially thank you, Mr. President. I'm really honored by your trust and confidence that you've placed in me to head the SEC. But I really must say the Oval Office has never looked much of a confident president leading with optimism toward our sons, Stuart, Peter, and Henry. Thank you all for your that each of you have made to enable me to serve America. With being my father's 100, my late mother's birthday, son could stand here, even possible. Your
Blah blah blah. He's
professionalism and good judgment. So, at the helm of the SEC, I can confidently say it is a new day. It's time for the SEC to end its waywardness and return to its core mission that Congress set for it: investor protection, fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and capital formation. I will work to protect investors from fraud, keep politics out of how our securities laws and regulations are applied, and advance clear rules of the road that encourage investment in our economy to the benefit of Americans. A top priority of my chairmanship will be to provide a firm regulatory foundation for digital assets.
That's it. You heard it right. The new chairman of the SEC is so fucking bullish on crypto, and we are going to see the bullishness in the upcoming days like fucking never before. The next thing, the ETF inflows are rising. Look at the Bitcoin ETF flows. This week, the first day, $41 million. The next day, $193 million. The next day, $643 million. The next day, $372 million. The next day, $240 million. And all of this from just BlackRock. Fidelity is also accumulating 87, 235, 143. Like, all of the fucking institutions are fucking accumulating a lot of millions of trillions of dollars in Bitcoin ETFs. And that shit, what I did told you. That's what I did told you in the last couple of months. You can go back in the fucking videos and listen to what did I say. I said they are dumping the market. They are doing the inflows and selling their Bitcoin just for you to panic, bro. They are fucking smart money. They know what they are doing, bro. They're fucking telling you to sell your Bitcoin to them so they can buy it from you with a lower price, and they will continue buying it for millions of trillions of dollars. If you don't understand this shit, you will be fucking always losing money. The next thing will be the SoftBank is buying Bitcoin. The SoftBank is so fucking bullish on crypto and Bitcoin. It's going to fucking buy more and more and more. Next thing, the Ethereum staking approval will be the next month. And this is some fucking bullish ass news for Ethereum especially. So if you're not fully prepared for the next rally, you're going to fucking see yourself with the losers. This is this same thing. This is the most bullish event that happened this week. Some crazy ass shit. So and the next thing, Trump considers cutting China tariffs to 50 to 65%. This is very, very, very bullish because hold on, let me read it. The post-bullish market sentiment aligns with the 3% and the S&P 500 rise on April 23 after Trump's tariffs reduction comments, but China denial and action like returning beyond planes indicate unresolved tensions, potentially undermining market optimism. This is very, very, very bullish for the market, especially with ending the trade war. Hopefully we can see the trade war end soon, and we see some trade deal with the US and China, and we see some tariff pause on all of the tariffs, so the market can refresh and rebreathe again. And next thing I'm going to show you is the Ethereum ETF flows, which literally what I told you in the last videos. In my fucking last crypto videos, I told you they are not buying Ethereum. They are selling their Ethereum so you can fucking panic, bro. Like, it is easy as that. Look at them now. In 2 days, they bought BlackRock, bought $100 million. Fidelity, $35 million. And all of them are accumulating, bro. All of them are accumulating. So if you are not thinking in the smart way, this is not a financial advice, by the way, but you need to think by your mind, bro. You don't need to fucking be a dumbass, bro. You need to be smart. You need to be smart in this market, bro. Like, look at this. This some meme ass coin, shitcoin, has risen by, hold on, almost 200% in this week. 200%. Bro, you're a fucking idiot, bro. If you're not doing the right thing, if you're panicking, if you're selling your coins like a fucking geek. Like, as I told you, my Trump coin, I bought Trump coin in the high. I bought it at the worst entry you can ever fucking experience, and I did not sold. I kept holding, and we saw the bullish fucking news comes out in the Trump, and this is the actual reason why I bought Trump coin in the first place, because I knew that whenever Trump do anything bullish or anything positive or anything, the coin is going to react off of it, whether if it's bearish or bullish. So if we're going to see Trump do another tariffs, the coin is going to drop around 70 to 80%. And I to be honest, I accept the risk for it, because if you can't handle the losses, you don't deserve the wins. So Trump actually, on I think the last day or the day before it, announced that the 250 top of 250 holders of his meme coin will be at his dinner table, something like that. I remember something like that, and the coin has pumped around 116-120% in just a matter of 2 days, and the first pump was actually in the matter of 1 hour. On 1 hour we pumped like 80%. And I'm keeping on holding on Trump. I'm not buying more, by the way, because it is a risky coin and I'm not buying more. And whenever we see we can though, if we see the altcoin season starts and we see all of the bullish news came out, like the federal rates cuts or the QE or anything from that kind, we are going to see a lot of bullishness in the market. So this week has been a very good week, and I'm super bullish on crypto now. I'm very careful with my decisions. I'm not buying anything, and you need to look up for this Ethereum one. So if Ethereum breaks, actually on the daily, if we break above, let me tell you, if we break above the 1,850, we're going to see Ethereum actually rip up, and we regain all of this fucking shit once again, and we're going to see Ethereum back at the very insane levels. So without further ado, or without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just saying my honest opinion on crypto. So do your own researches. Be smart. Please don't be dumb, bro, like the other bots. Be smart, act smart, and act rich. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and let's hit 170 legends in this channel. Goodbye.